Hey, we're at the Ice Institute checking out some of the cool things here at the show, and that brought me over to the Arctic Anchor booth, and I've got Jim here. Jim, yeah, I did that. I was one of those guys who took my ATV out and I got that thing stuck in a slough. You've got a solution that would have saved me.
Yes, most definitely. Yep. So this has got a very simple invention here. What I have is the Arctic Anchor. So when you go out and get stuck in the slush, the snow, get hung up on a plow ridge, you simply just drill a hole out in front of your machine, drop this in, locks in the bottom of the ice, nice and secure, and you hook onto your winch and you pull yourself out.
Yep.
Nobody has to push, nobody has to shovel. And once you're out, you just simply drop it down, grab the cable, and out the hole it comes. Works in any size auger hole, weighs 2.5 pounds, and the braking strength is 10,000 pounds.
Which would easily pull out any side-by-side or any of those.
Yes, and then some.
And then
yes. Yeah, you don't have to worry about breaking this.
If people want to find out more information or a spot where they could purchase, where can they go?
We have 26 dealers among North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. You can go to our website, which is arcticanchor.com. We're also on Facebook. You can research us on YouTube. We have some videos out there also. So,
nice.
Yep.
Nice. Excellent. Excellent. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can go check this out. We are at the Ice Institute here in Sioux Falls.